Hello friends, how are you today? This is Suvo and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you some design ideas for bookmarks. I will be painting northern lights using watercolors on the bookmark. To know how to make the northern lights on a larger surface, you can watch another video of mine on the northern lights. Link is in the I button and in the description below. To create the bookmark, first cut a thick chart paper vertically. Now apply clear water on the surface till the part where the sky will be. I will first complete the sky, then the ground. In watercolor, we go from light to dark. So I will use lemon yellow in the center and then darker shades as I move towards the sides. For the second color, I am using vermilion red. Both yellow and red will blend very nicely as the paper is still wet. If you want, you can put some red in between the yellow also. While the paper is wet, we will apply the third color, Prussian blue, to the side of the red. Before going further, let the paper dry completely. Once the painting has dried and you feel that the colors are not dark enough, then you can apply another layer of paint. To apply the second layer, you can wet the paper with clear water first and then use the same colors for the second layer. Now I am satisfied with the darkness of the painting. Let the paper dry. Now it's time to paint the ground and the hut. For the ground, I have wet the surface with clear water and applied light blue in some areas. For my other snow covered landscape paintings, head over to my channel and watch my snowy trees video. Link is in the I button and in the description below. Now, after the paint dries, I will start creating some stars. For this, I am just sprinkling white color on the paper. One can also use an old toothbrush to spray white color. I am keeping the white sprinkles to the side of the sky, mainly on the dark blue part, as it will give a very good contrast to the painting. I am adding some more details to the sky by adding some white crosses that will look like twinkling stars. You can also add some white streaks to represent shooting stars. Now it's time to paint the hut. I am using burnt sienna for the hut walls as it will be a wooden hut. First, I am painting one side and will let it dry. As it's dry now, I am painting the second side. I am making this side a little lighter than the other side. I am leaving the windows white for now. Also, I am keeping little bit extra space around the windows. Now, after the walls have dried completely, I am painting the windows. For the windows, I am using little lemon yellow on the sides, leaving the center part white. This will show the glow of the light coming from inside of the house. After the windows are done, now it's time to add some trees. For this, I am making a pine tree using a dark color. You can use black also. First, I am painting a central line as the trunk or as a guide. On both sides of the trunk, I am making small strokes with the same color. I am increasing the width of the leaves as I am going from top to bottom. You can make as many trees as you want in the same way. Now, let's add some details to the ground. Using a dark blue, I am adding some shadows near the trees and on the side of the hut. Also, some shadows on the roof of the hut. With some dark colors, I am adding some details to the hut also, like some outlines to the walls and window grills and a door. So, this is how you make a watercolor Northern Lights painting on a bookmark. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Also, let me know how you like this painting and how this bookmark turns out for you. I will be posting some more bookmark painting ideas in the upcoming videos. So, stay tuned. Bye bye for now.